And we're back to learning to code. Let's go over the main tag in HTML. It's another structure tag. It's used to define the main content of your website, and it usually doesn't contain things like a footer, sidebar, navbar. So this is not part of the main. For example, this simple website that I've created here, the main would be everything that you see right now inside of the body. So let me add opening and closing tags right here. And normally there are also articles in it, maybe there are videos embedded, something like this. So you could see it as the main container for all of the stuff that makes your website. But if you have a footer, it comes after the main. And if you have a header where there's a navbar or something, it comes before the main in the structure of your website. You should never use the main tag more than once on a website. So always nest your entire main content inside of a single main element. And as you can see on the left hand side, it doesn't really do anything to the formatting of the website. As I've said, it's just a structure element that you can use to define the basic structure of your website. As always, you can use the global attributes here, style it using CSS. But specific attributes, there are none for it. So this is everything there is to know about the main tag. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.